So now let's answer it one by one, but you should try first. Are you okay now?
Letter D.
Letter D. Correct. You can send it the second report it's being sent.
Oh, I got that. لا بس هو بالبات يلا نبدأ.
خليكي
no change.
no change. It is correct.
But C. Does you see?
In this question, we have a problem. From the beginning to the end. Number one, we have two clauses. The first one, no clause. She was following up on her point is that. So after that, we need sentence. The sentence after that, it's a complex sentence. Subordinated conjunction, as you know, complete clause, comma, complete clause, full stop. That is correct. This is the second one, people subject, and then make verb, and then we have comma, and here we have the second sentence. That means we have double conjunction mistake. So we should delete all of them, so delete is the best answer. So as I told you, if we use subordinated conjunction at the beginning, you don't need any conjunction in the middle. So to use it at the beginning or in the middle, not both. First called double conjunction or mini conjunction mistake. That's why.
مستر هو في كم حصة احنا
Try number
ما دفعناش لغاية دلوقتي؟
really, I don't know, but you can check the last payment and the number of links we sent in the group.
بس ماما لقيتها بتستني بقول لها مش عارف. سريع.
Yeah, put it in the group and they count.
ايه ده ليه دي غريبة.
Let me help you. Always check any mistake. For example,
Mm.
Who is apostrophe S means is or has. It should both. Is any one of them correct?
Is
Her who is an award winning does not work.
Mm.
طب her who is but what means that wrong. طب how about hers does not make any sense. How about his? But I can't say one herself. So to emphasize that it's herself. And all of them as a preposition phrase or a positive phrase to tell you who is this person.
Yeah.
So it start with phrase, common subject verb. يبقى herself here used to emphasize as intensive pronoun. Number 5. Yeah, the second record being sent now. It's finished. Look, told you it takes second.
بجد امبارح انا كنت عايز انام وقعد بعد ما انا بعت تجربة ان هي بقى لها 5 دقايق تقريبا قعدت ربع ساعة تقريبا قفلت.
You see as video. The video here, a small video. A document for any large files. Number 5, take your time.
No change.
Number 5, no change. No, it's letter B. Yeah, what is a trap? Introduces the focus of the essay. What does it mean? You must go back to the beginning.
Of
What
the
is the main
essay
idea? He said, yeah, all
انا كنت
right.
بحسب الاسي اللي هو الباراجراف يعني مش الاسي.
No, this is the essay.
أيوة.
But the first paragraph can help you. Main idea exactly. Look, when an African American journalist, what is the main idea? Is all the paragraph or passage about she became a name and fellow at Harvard? I'm not talking about her exactly, but he said here for much of her journalism career, she was involved with the Institute Journalism Education Institute. And then if you continue information, you will find talking about she is, she working for the freedom. And let's find any information here to find. Look, nation and its view and its news media are going in opposite directions. It's paying the price, and he said here, for this is one journalist, and for one an African American, if it's not about her just only. So let's find the reported news across the United States, not all the passage about that. If I'm not sure in the exam and I'm confusing, go to the beginning of each paragraph, catch ideas. Look, diversity among journalists in the United States must increase. Because the main idea is not about her or her background. It's about the diversity between black and white in this way. So continue again, we'll find the industry is going to meet its ethical obligation to provide a wide audience credible and accurate news. It's related. She argued that the report is cultural, so it's not about her. So the test maker test you like, go to the beginning of each paragraph, get sharing information if the first paragraph does not give you an idea. But the problem of is speed of reading. So is all the essay or the points, and she was a member of society of professional journalists? We're not talking about the foundation of members of society or is she is a member or not, but focus about advocating diversity within newsroom for the sake of fair representation of all communities. What help you? They begin with this. And the word test maker repeats the word diversity because it's a specific term in the passage. This can help you. If you go to any another one, you will find. Look. That's why. So here again, community color suppressment. That's in there because this is a kind of question. It comes in the exam. I didn't test it, by the way, but where you don't know 5 question or not. It's a number 6.
F no change.
Number 6 it's F. No, it's letter G.
بس مفيش objective قبلها وقال among
Let's see. Converse is to show contrast. Do we have any contrast or comparison? No, but he said among the other objectives. This means the following is an objective target. That means before we have objective and among the other objectives. That means are going to add objective. So the organization is dedicated to objective or not? Yes or no?
Yes.
But we have a trap. Besides that objective, is before only one objective? Or we have objectives? Can you imagine it? So it must this is one. Feel it? So here among the other objectives, it's better because we have many objectives, not only one. That's it. In comparison, don't compare between the things with year wrong.
دي نوت تشينج بقى ان شاء الله تكون فعلا هي نوت تشينج دي بس اظن نوت تشينج.
So number 7, it must be letter A.
Okay, good.
But wait, what is your confusion? Check all the
F يا قلت لك.
All right. He put if here in the middle. So we have two clauses. The first clause and the second clause after. Now check the meaning. So your job only for the sentence. What are the two clauses? And they choose the relationship. Do you have any comparisons? Do you have until? Or is it if? So diversity among the seeing must increase if the industry is going to meet. So it's a condition. Not about until, because here we're giving you a hypothetical situation. That's why she argued. She is not giving you fact that must increase because the industry indeed is going to meet. No, that we imagine, we hypothesize industry is going to meet. Do you feel it?
Okay. H.
So number 8, H, yes, perfect.
No change.
For 9, 9, it's 8, right?
J عشان less specifically.
Number 10, it's J, good catch.
Report D.
11D, correct.
H.
Number 12, H, wrong. Number 12, it's a letter. But we need to know why. Number 1, yeah, because it's a little bit confusing, but let me help you. Remember when I told you calling and after is such as wrong?
المفروض بعدها عشان كده
Wrong. Now we need to check. Before calling, is it
يا رب
But what-
نسيت.
Complete sentence. Oh, yes. Many former trainees now reports. And
Hmm.
then, but we have a problem with this transition words. If you wanted to put it at the end of the sentence, you need comma before. As I told you, the transition words can be at the beginning of the sentence,
Hmm.
in the middle of the sentence, or at the end of the sentence. But at the end, preceded by comma. That means H has a mistake in punctuation.
Hmm.
Now, letter G. The letter G is a problem. If you wanted to put transition words at the second sentence, that means in this sentence is an example to the previous sentence. So that is the logic. The institute also had helped them get hired and heard. Is that an example to this one? To put
No.
transition words at the end of the second? Punctuation is correct, but we just check. Is that example?
No.
No. يبقى so grammatically correct but logically wrong. Content wrong. يبقى so letter G is wrong. But wait, such as that means these are examples to something before. Yes, newspapers. And already New York Times and Washington Post Philippines.
No.
يبقى so grammatically correct. Is there any mistake in this point? No. We don't have any punctuation after such as. And we don't need before, so it's correct. That's why.
No change.
Number 13, no change. Correct.
G.
Letter G, perfect.
C.
15C, yes. Good catch, brilliant man.
J.
Yeah, this is as a common hack. Do you remember? Uh,
نشيله موترات عشان نكتب.
three answer transition words, one without. But always read. You know,
أيوه.
يعني
B.
17B, yes.
H.
18H, yes. Brilliant.
ثانية. no change ولا بي؟
Number 19, it must be A,
Okay.
but why? Now from the beginning.
Hmm.
Always imagine sentence from the beginning to the end. Because the question of punctuation is very important, high score. Now here, so it is in preposition phrase, so you need comma. Now students of and master, so subject verb, master what, the dozens of skills. Look, skills which is or are needed to make a classic three-piece box suit. If it is past participle phrase. So skills does not need itself. It's a past participle phrase. Now ask yourself, should we separate this phrase from the meaning of the sentence? No. Remember, A and B grammatically correct.
Hmm.
A and B grammatically correct.
بس
Why?
كمينينج.
Because as I told you, complete sentence, comma, and then phrase. You see?
Hmm.
Full stop. Correct. Sometimes you can delete the comma if this essential. Use comma if it is non-essential. So the test maker test you. Can we delete this phrase from the beginning to the end? Of course not, because it affects the meaning. So we should not use comma. So B is wrong. For letter C and D, already we have problems. The comma here, again, if you want to delete this phrase, infinitive phrase, from to make to the end, you will make it non-essential again. Wrong. If you want to make this part a positive phrase or phrase, can we delete it? No. So we test you here for essential or non-essential. That's it. So letter D is wrong.
جي.
So 20J, yes. Fantastic.
اسمها دي دي.
21B wrong.
نو دي.
D wrong.
دي.
B.
لسه
Yes.
دي.
Yes.
اوكي.
So why it is B? That is the trap. Because it's list by using semicolon. As I told you, we can use semicolon for list if between the semicolons we have commas.
Hmm.
Imagine it.
Hmm.
That's it.
بس ممكن ثانية واحدة بس كده بس ثانية
How?
واحدة.
Have the time.
Okay.